Hello everyone, this is Harshvardhan Singh Gadwal. I secured All India rank 11 in this IASS 2020 examinations. In this video, I am going to share insights on the preparation for the statistics papers of IASS. So we have first two papers which are objective in nature. For the paper 1, I am going to discuss the sources and the references. So for this first paper, you can go through the FMS. I think that is going to be the best book for probability and statistical methods. For numerical analysis, HC Saxena book is going to be sufficient. The coaching teacher of mine, Rahul sir, was also providing very good notes on numerical analysis. Apart from this, E. Balaguru Swami book on computer is going to be beneficial, and my coaching material was also more than sufficient for preparation of computer. Then comes the paper 2. I would suggest you to not leave anything in the syllabus which is given in this paper 2. This is a very scoring paper. I also scored very well in this paper. For discussing the sources and references for linear models, I use the notes given by Professor Vandana ma'am of KMC. She taught me during my graduation. The MCQs which are there in the econometrics book written by Gujarati, Porter, Guneskar is going to be very beneficial. For inference and hypothesis testing, FMS, the second book is V.K. Rohatgi, the third book is Mood, Grable and Bose. These three books are going to make your answers or the answer to all the questions very simple. You must make notes of all the topics which are given in the syllabus using all these three books. Yashbir sir's classes also gave me a good understanding on the concepts of inference and hypothesis testing. For official statistics, I would recommend in-depth study of MOSPI website. I would also suggest you to make a new separate Twitter account. You can follow only two accounts of the Ministry of Statistics and also the Labour Bureau. Apart from this, you can follow some of the press releases by these two websites. That only I think going to be more than sufficient. So my strategy for paper 1 and 2 is going to be same. I would suggest you to give more and more test series to solve past year question papers. This is going to bring a lot of confidence. Apart from this, make short notes on all the topics. Don't leave any topic. For example, in the past year question papers, there was no question from Bhattacharya bound, but in my exam in IASS 2020 there was one question on that. So that is going to, if you leave it, you are costing good amount of marks. Do make notes of topics which you don't understand. Which you don't understand. For example, I found difficulty in Bayes estimator, Bayes risk, such kind of questions. But if you make notes, then you will realize that getting answers of objective questions is not that difficult in such topics. You can also stick a lot of charts of formula and concepts or applications. This is going to help you in revising and remembering all these things. Paper 3 is very lengthy. I would suggest you to write as much as possible for paper 3 and paper 4. For paper 3, I would recommend Yashbir sir's notes and also survey sampling book by Archana Bansal ma'am. Apart from this, for econometrics book by Gujarati is going to be helpful. The econometric methods written by Johnston is also a good book for econometrics. FAS by Gupta Kapoor for applied statistics is going to be more than sufficient. For paper 4, I chose multivariate analysis and SQC. For multivariate analysis, The notes of Dr. Taruna Kumari ma'am, she taught me at Delhi University. Her notes are good, and also notes given by Yashbir Singh sir at coaching were more than sufficient. I made a mixed approach of both these teachers, and it actually helped me a lot. Apart from this, if I talk about SQC, then Gurpreet ma'am's notes she taught me at Delhi University. These were also very beneficial, and I would also highly recommend you to read the Montgomery book on SQC. You can use the soft copy and browse through almost all the important topics in this book. Because for example, if you there was a question in ISS 2020 related to the hypothesis testing and the control charts. If you read the book in a good way, then you are going to definitely answer that question, which I also did. So for paper 3 and 4, I would suggest you to write 2 to 3 answers daily or on alternate days. Not only write but also analyze your answers. This is going to help you build confidence and help you in the further test series. Solve questions on almost all the past year papers which are available on internet. Divide your proofs and answers in parts. This is going to help you remember and revise your answers multiple times. Also, I would suggest you to use UPSC answer sheets for all the test series or the preparation part, because you will realize that there is actually a very big difference when we write in the common or the general notebooks and on the UPSC answer sheet. There is also a space gap and the border arrangement. I think you should always be precautious in the preparation part or the preparation time only. So in general suggestions, I think this is one of the toughest examinations conducted by UPSC. Reasons: 3 days, and in these 3 days we need to appear in 6 examinations. I would suggest you to always take 8 hours proper sleep, even during the preparation and also during the examination. It is going to be tough, but try. Apart from this, take care of your health, remain consistent throughout your preparation, and test series is going to be very important in deciding our marks in examination. This is the complete strategy for all these 4 papers of statistics. Then comes the last stage, that is the interview. So I had RN Chobe sir's board in my interview as my interview panel. It was a very diverse and general awareness testing panel. Many questions were diverse and honestly speaking very unexpected. Many questions were unexpected. I was asked on government schemes like National Health Mission, Ayushman Bharat. I was even asked the MSP of wheat, the food grain production, poverty line, Skill India, and other few government schemes as well. The official statistics covered the NSO and CMIE. Apart from this, the statistical questions covered from multivariate analysis, and the complete transcript of the interview is available on my blog. So coming to my preparation part, I appeared in approximately 8 to 10 mock interviews. These were organized by Yashbir Singh sir, Venkat Mohan sir, Veda Kumari ma'am of Hyderabad Study Circle, first rank classes, Sankalp and Insights IS. Apart from this, Ravindran sir and Rao's Academy also organized 1-to-1 sessions that helped me in depth analysis. My friends also helped me. They made a huge impact because they actually know me. They know my values, they know my opinion, my understanding. Regarding this, Saval Chaudhary also helped me a lot. He is one of the best debaters, and he added a lot of dimensions to my answers. My sister Garimadi, my Jiju BL Reward sir, and my friend Yash, they also contributed a lot in the interview preparation. I would suggest you to fill the detailed application form, that is DEF, very carefully. Note all the keywords which are there in your def and make a proper study of all these keywords. Make answers simple, effective and short. Don't use more than 3 to 4 sentences in any of your answers in the interview. Also try to explain every yes or no. Don't just sit idle after replying yes or no to any kind of answer. I would also suggest you to not react to a question. Take time and respond accordingly. You need to present your opinion, and if you take time to think on that, it's absolutely fine. Apart from this, there is also a myth that we need to give a balanced answer, and candidates generally give some kind of government statement. That is not the case. Actually, the interview is asking about our own mindset, our own opinion. So try to give original answers, in fact. So things which you need to cover are economic survey and the economic budget of both union and state or your home state. You also need to do an in-depth study of the MOSPI website, the recent issues. Do read newspaper daily. If I talk about newspaper, one national, one regional, these are essential for the interview preparation. Do not leave the regional newspaper. There can be many questions regarding that. I would also suggest you to watch mock interviews of the past aspirants, and also to watch good interviews of world leaders. I think that is going to make your answers very effective, and some are going to be very intriguing as well. I would thank Delhi Knowledge Track for all these videos. I remember that when I was also an aspirant, I used to watch such interviews and such videos of DKT. Those were very helpful. I would suggest all the viewers to like, subscribe and share this video. I would also request you to share all other videos of DKT. Thank you and best wishes for your examination. Thank you.